In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Docs. If you want to make a title, heading, or any section of your document look more polished and balanced on the page, center alignment is a quick and useful formatting tool. The good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to find it. To begin, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to adjust the text alignment. This can be an existing document you're already working on, or a new one you've just created. Once the document is open, scroll to the part of the page that contains the text you want to center. Next, click on the text you want to center align and highlight it. This step is important because Google Docs will only apply the formatting to the text you've selected. If you only want to center a single line, make sure only that line is highlighted. If you want to center a heading and a few lines beneath it, go ahead and select that full section before moving on. After your text is highlighted, look toward the toolbar at the top of Google Docs. Find the Align and Indent icon, which is located next to the Insert Image icon. This menu gives you different alignment options for your selected text, including left align, center align, right align, and justified text. If your toolbar looks a little compressed, especially on a smaller screen, some options may be tucked into a drop-down, so take a moment to look carefully. Once you've opened the alignment options, click the Center Align icon, which is the second option from the left. As soon as you click it, the highlighted text will move to the center of the page. This is especially helpful for document titles, section headings, invitations, or any content you want to stand out visually. If the text doesn't move as expected, double-check that you highlighted the correct text before choosing the alignment option. Also remember that center alignment changes the paragraph formatting, so it applies to the selected paragraph or paragraphs rather than just individual letters or words. And that's it. You've successfully centered text in Google Docs. It's a simple formatting change, but it can make your document look much cleaner and more intentional. If you need to adjust more text later, just repeat the same process. Select the text, open the alignment menu, and choose Center Align.